back to Autosport Designs. Today we're going to be looking at this 1953 Allard K3. Not a normal car, Allard. You don't hear a lot about them. At the moment we actually do have others for sale, but today we're going to talk about this beautiful 53 Allard K3. Hop on in, do a cold start, and tell you all about it. Okay, so here we are in our 1953 Allard K3. It's had several upgrades. It's got a 5-speed gearbox. It still has the Cadillac 331 cubic inch engine in it. We'll do a little start here. It's actually a little warm. She does fire right up. We'll get a little extra temp in her, and we will be back to you. All right, so we got a little temp. We're going to take her through the S's here a little bit, see how it feels. It's been further upgraded. Like I said, the 5-speed. It's got front disc brake conversion as well. Roll-up windows, full top, bucket seats. We have the original bench seats that come with it as well. Great tour car, and it's participated in quite a few rallies already. Copper State being one of them. Colorado Grand. It was even on the Pebble Beach tour. Had a 5-year restoration between 2011 and 2016. Great ownership provenance from the very beginning. It was originally a blue on blue car according to the Allard registry. Now it's this beautiful British racing green with the Oxblood red interior. Really, again, Cadillac 331 sounds awesome. Definitely a beautiful looking car, beautiful condition. We will come up to the S's here and we'll be back to you. All right, here we get going here a little bit. Again, awesome sound, awesome pickup. 5-speed really complements this car very well. Good response, not only accelerating but braking as well. We're going to come up here and we'll do some flybys. Hope you guys enjoyed those. I'm sure you can tell I definitely did. Big smile on my face. Good combination. Very comfortable. Very usable. And we're going to come up here. We'll come up to the farm road and we'll open her up a little bit. Okay, little farm road action here. Rev it through the gears. Wow, really sounds good. Pulls well. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. I definitely did. Very special Allard K3. It's a 1953. Like and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Comment below as well. And thank you for watching. We will catch you on the next one.
Thanks for watching the video. The boys ran into a little bit of technical difficulty with regard to the mic as well as editing. I can assure you this is one of the nicest Allard K3s you will ever find. In its hot rodded form, it is eligible for some of the world's best events and ready for immediate use. Thanks for watching yet again. I look forward to seeing you on the next video road test from Autosport Designs. See ya.